Hey everyone, how are you guys doing? My name's Daniel. A little bit about me and my family. So I was raised in South Carolina, Charleston, but I was born in Bogota, Colombia. Um, I have a a brother, a sister. They're both younger than me by a year each, and two older brothers, half brothers on my dad's side. My younger brother has a daughter. She's two. She's cute. Um, and also we have a black lab. So yes, we have a dog. He's cute too. Really like him. We love him. He's the best. Um, so something interesting about where I live. I don't really know. Well, there's about an hour away. There's about the salt mine. It's a cathedral, actually, underground cathedral. So it's pretty cool. It's the world's largest active salt mine slash cathedral. Yes, it is still active during the night and tourism during the day. So that's very cool. It's really neat. It's a very cool experience. I really like it. It's a fun place to visit. Um, Something that excites me. Well, I'm ready to learn more. Web development, design, all that stuff. I like everything. I'm pretty open minded to everything. Just JavaScript is really hard for me. But I'm pretty good with both. With CSS and HTML. So I'm just really excited to learn more and more. Um, so yeah, that's also the hardest thing, JavaScript. And CSS. I think it's a little hard for me too, but it's manageable. Um, I'm not really sure what my strengths are. Willing to do the work, put the time into it, so that's cool. I hope that we can work in teams and groups, help each other out. So that's pretty cool. I'm excited to be able to learn more and work with all you guys. Um, but yeah, wish the best and best of luck to each one of you throughout the semester. And talk to you guys soon.